Welcome to today's assembly. It's pouring with rain, so I'm not outside today, I'm inside the Pascal building at St. Peter's. Now, what does a set of drumsticks, a marathon medal, a golf club, and a collection of stamps all have in common? No idea? What about if I give you another clue? What is behind all great art, all great music, all great literature? What's the driving force behind all great drama or all great architecture? Any ideas? It's passion. Now, I have the sort of personality that gets bored very easily, but I love to try out lots of new things. I can get very passionate about something and will spend lots of time and probably money trying to do it as well as I possibly can. I want to get better at it. I want to spend time doing it. For me, it started off with stamp collecting when I was 7 years old, and this book goes all the way back to when I was 7, 8. I've got really into drumming, and so I had 4 or 5 years where I practiced really hard to become a really good drummer. And then 7, 8 years ago, I got really into running, and I've started, this is the Moscow Marathon medal, but started running marathons all over Europe. And then there was a while when I got really into golf. And I spent lots of time practice. I'd practice in the driving range, I'd practice at the weekends, I'd spend far too much money on golf clubs thinking it would make me a better golfer. Passion is more than just having an interest in something. It's an extreme, powerful interest. Passion makes things great. Passion is what enables and drives scientists to find cures for diseases. Passion is what equips and drives athletes to break records. Passion is what sustains you when you try and reach your goals in life. Nothing great is really done without passion. Passion turns the seemingly impossible into the possible. Without a passion in your life, it can be a bit dull, drab, and boring. We were created with the ability to be passionate, and it has nothing to do with your age, your personality, or whether you're an extrovert or not. What gives us passion is having a purpose and having a talent. So how do you work out what you're passionate about? Well, firstly, what interests you so much that you just lose track of time when you're doing it? Secondly, what costs you? Maybe it costs you in time, maybe it costs you in money, but so much that you're desperate to do it and you'll go to any length to make it happen. And thirdly, what makes your heart race with excitement? Try things you have an interest in. What captures your imagination? Your passion will need time to develop and grow. If you start on something, don't give up at the first hurdle. This is something we talk about all the time at school, persevering. Start small and see what grabs your attention. Don't compare your passion to others that are doing the same thing. Their passion may have been ignited years before, and so they're further along the journey than developing their passion than you are. Don't limit your beliefs, as this could mean you don't even start. Give it a go. You won't start by being an expert. Your passion will grow and develop as you nurture it. Finally, how do you nurture your passion? Nurture just means to grow. So how do you grow your passion? Well, you need to develop it intentionally in a focused way. You need to set aside time where you will only work on your passion. And you need to remove distractions so you can focus completely on your passion. So that means no phones. I always think this is the hardest week of the school year. 3 weeks before the end of the summer term. Everyone is tired, the end of term still seems a long way away, half term seems like a lifetime ago, there's no exit weekend, and everyone's a bit tired, grumpy, and lacking enthusiasm. The perfect time to think about what your passion is. Now, maybe you already know what it is, or maybe you want to discover, but think about it. You've got no preps, you've got no journey in the car to and from school, you've got no Saturday morning lessons. So you've got time to spend either developing a passion that you've already got, or trying new things to work out if there's something that you might become passionate about. So, over the next few weeks, spend some time either trying something new or working on a passion that you've already got, and let's see where it takes you.